Hi guys, today I will show you how to fix when the water pump is not working and when water is not dripping from the machine. This machine is a Nespresso Bird 209 Model G CC1. I have watched all the YouTube tutorials. I tried it for a day and finally found how to make it work. Let me show you how I did it. First, you will need to unscrew all the drivers. It looks like this. And you will need this L shape. It's very tiny. You have to unscrew all the drivers from the bottom. Unplug the cable. It's pretty simple after you unscrew all the screws from the bottom. Let me show you. Just unscrew this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pop it open just like that. There you go. What I did was I take this part off. This pump is very, it was in the storage unit. Haven't used it for a long time. So this was like so dry. So you need to pump it with any syringe. Put the water, just take this part off and put this in there. Put the water until it fills up. Probably I did like 4 or 5 times to fill up the water. And then clear the system. And after that, it's pretty easy to take it off and then put it back. And that's pretty much it. We'll need this and syringe and pump water. Turn it on. And just keep pumping using the power button. And let's see.
Okay, I'm looking.
hope this video is helpful to you guys, and if this video was helpful, please share with your friends, and please like the video, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.